I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. You could have it all. My empire of dirt. I will let you down. I will make you hurt. You are someone else. I am still right here. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. Then you could have it all. My empire of dirt. I will let you
Mom and Dad, I never thought this could be me. I never thought I would leave this earth so soon because of a crash. I can't say I love you one last time or give you one last hug because everything I've ever had is taken away from me in the blink of an eye. I couldn't have asked for a better family, and I'm so sorry I had to leave you all so soon. I love you all more than anything. Life is full of decisions, and now one singular decision being made has not only taken my life away, but forever impacted the lives of those close to me.
Mom. Hi, Diva. Wow, life changes so fast. Within seconds, I'm gone. Just a minute ago, we were talking in the kitchen. Now you're a mess. I love you, Mom. I'm sorry my stupid choices had to change everything. You will always mean the world to me. Everything will be okay. I'm with the Lord.
Dear Mom, Dad, and Isabel, even if I don't say it often, you three will always be the most important people in my life. Dad, I'm sorry we'll never get to finish our talks about everything. You'll never know how important our conversations were to me. You've made me into the person I am. Mom, you gave me the push I needed to live life to the fullest. Isabel, you've not only been someone to share my life with, but to compare and push myself to catch up. I'm just sorry I never will. All of you have loved me for 15 years, and I just wish I had more time to spend with you.